Started doing the research on building on an off-grid property. The original concept started with a log cabin. Why not? That's kind of something you think of when you're thinking of off-grid. But as time went on and did more research and checking into stuff and thinking about the remoteness of the installation, it evolved from going with a log cabin to a steel building. Makes so much more sense. As the fire from the lightning strike fire from a couple of weeks ago proved, response from any first responder fire personnel is going to take time. They've got to mobilize and then they've got to get there, and it takes time. We were fortunate in that a couple of us who were here were able to contain the fire before they got out here. But that just kind of cemented our steel building approach because it is so much more fire resistant. And I had already instituted doing a 100-foot perimeter clearing of all large timber to give us a good fire-free zone, and that'll be largely occupied by greenery, grass, fire-resistant ornamentals and shrubs and so forth that are not going to promote fire coming across that zone. So between having that and the steel building, we feel pretty that we've done just about as much preventative work up front as we can do. And the other thing is, log cabins, as I found out, require a lot of maintenance depending on what style and what kind and the manufacturer. You're looking at least every other year redoing the finish on the outside. And on some of those places, that's if you're not doing it yourself personally, it costs upwards of $50,000. So as we were informed from the manufacturer that we were in discussions with, who we liked their designs. So the steel building ended up being our choice, and I'm glad we did.